It's 4 in the morning and John has been up for an hour. As IT operations manager for a consumer goods company, it's John's responsibility to keep the e-commerce site healthy. At 3 a.m., he started getting alerts that the site was failing. John reviewed logs and ran utilities, but was unable to spot the issue. He restarted the servers, and for about 30 minutes, things were back to normal. But then the site started stalling again. By 8 a.m., John is at the office. Social media is exploding with frustrated customers, and the company is losing sales every minute it is down. The CIO calls a cross-functional team to get to the bottom of the problem. Each department head confirms their systems are working fine. At 10 a.m., out of sheer desperation, the CIO makes the call to roll the application back to the previous version. This fixes the problem, but it took 7 hours, and John still doesn't know what the issue was. He can't help but think there has to be a better way to troubleshoot application issues. There is. Introducing the all-new Riverbed StilCentral AppInternals, a product that helps improve application performance, optimize end-user experience, and measure business impact, all from one interactive web-based dashboard. AppInternals traces every transaction from the user to the backend, while capturing system metrics every second. This gives IT complete application visibility and allows them to reconstruct and diagnose incidents in great detail in order to fix offending code, SQL, infrastructure, or remote calls. Further, IT can proactively analyze billions of performance metrics using simple queries to discover patterns, derive business insights, expose bugs, and continuously improve performance. Finally, AppInternals integrates with the StilCentral portal to get end-to-end visibility and analytics across applications, networks, and infrastructure. No other APM tool can deliver this comprehensive picture. Let's rewind and see what happens when John uses AppInternals. First of all, he finds out about the problem much earlier. AppInternals alerted John the previous day that the catalog application was experiencing degraded performance. He identifies that Java virtual machines are periodically crashing. After more investigation, he finds that there are a lot more application calls, although user activity is unchanged. John discovers that the application is making redundant JDBC calls to the database when certain products are looked up. This additional querying overloads the database and causes application server threads to stall. Eventually, the app server runs out of memory and returns error responses. John notifies the development team, and they patch the application that evening. John leaves for the day and has a good night's sleep, knowing he is one step ahead of the game. Chasing application issues is hard. AppInternals helps with comprehensive monitoring, fast, easy diagnosis of root causes, and powerful analytics. It is comprehensive yet simple to use and installs in minutes. Take control of application performance with Riverbed StilCentral AppInternals.